In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Birkenstock discount promo codes in 2024. So with that in mind, let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Birkenstock discount promo code. Right here, select this website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. And as you can see right here, we have a list with different types of promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 10% off discount on your next purchase, all you have to do is select your coupon code right here, and you'll have to copy this discount code and apply it on your next purchase in order to get this discount right here. Also, going back to our main search, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, I should be able to find this website, which is called simplycodes.com, that also have a list with promo codes that we can use. For example, also right here, if you want to get this 10% off discount, all you have to do is select copy code right here. And this is a discount code. You can copy it right here and you can apply it on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.